that discreetly honors the serpent with textured fabrics and elegant design, Nike continues to celebrate the year of the snake even though it is coming to an end. The top has a leather base that is rattan in color, providing a warm, neutral basis that contrasts sharply with pearl white leather overlays. Dark gum rubber outsole lends a grounding touch, while sail-tinted midsoles, lining, and laces further accentuate the aged look. On top of a herringbone twill tongue, the shoe's high-quality debossed leather tongue tag features a sashiko-style tack stitch, a minor yet important element that gives the design a handmade sense. But what really makes the swoosh and heel overlays stand out is the reptilian textured suede finish that mimics a snake's scales without going overboard. The year of the snake essence is honored while the design remains stylish and wearable thanks to a well-considered implementation. For $125, the Nike Dunk Low Snakeskin Swoosh is currently offered on Nike.com and JD Sports.